Now, next example is consider model capabilities. Consider model capabilities means, suppose you want to build, listen very carefully, suppose you want to build a software, okay, and it may be a landing page builder, it might be a landing page builder, it might be any relationship app, it might be any dating app, it might be any e-commerce website, like that thing. So you want to create, so what you will do is you will tell ChatGPT that I want to create this like that software. Suppose I want to create a landing page builder or a funnel builder application or a software like ClickFunnels. So, like ClickFunnels means you are modeling your competitor. You are modeling your in your industry, which do you, who one is doing better in your industry. Suppose you want to create a e-commerce website, so now you will refer who is the best, or who is working better in this industry, that is Amazon, that is Flipkart. So what you can tell ChatGPT is, I want to create a e-com website like Amazon, like Flipkart. You suggest me step by step how I can do this. So this is what consider model capabilities. Okay. So here, suppose you are telling ChatGPT describe a productive app. So instead of asking this, what you can do is you can tell ChatGPT describe the features and user experience of a popular productivity app such as Trello and Asana. Suppose you want to create a productivity app. So in this field, in this industry, who is doing better? Trello and Asana is doing better. So you are referring that model, that like Trello and Asana, I want to create a productivity app. So in that case, ChatGPT will produce a more better response, so that you can get the best output from ChatGPT or any other artificial tools. Now, the second example is explain the concept of digital marketing. Explain the concept of digital marketing. So instead of that, what you can do is, if you ask this question, ChatGPT will provide you a broad answer. For understanding purpose, it is okay, but for accuracy purpose, it is not okay. Okay. So what you can ask ChatGPT is, analyze the impact of social media marketing on consumer behavior, focusing on platforms like Facebook and Instagram, and provide the examples of successful campaigns. So now I am referring that what Facebook is doing, what Instagram is doing. So like that way, I want you to analyze the impact of social media marketing on customer behavior and focusing on customer behavior. So it will produce a better response, so that you can get the you can permit your desired goal.